Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey of woodworking. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or it's your very first time picking up a saw, this tutorial is designed for you. Welcome to Drilling Nerd. I am John. Will be walking you through a series of beginner-friendly woodworking projects that not only teach you valuable skills but can also be sold if you are looking to turn your hobby into a side hustle. Now, when it comes to gearing up for this woodworking adventure, you are going to need some reliable power tools. Look no further, you can find a fantastic selection of power tools to kickstart your journey on our website, drillingnerd.com. So grab your tools and let's dive headfirst into this exciting woodworking adventure. Let's dive into our first project, crafting stylish shelves. Measure and mark where you want your shelves. Cut your wooden boards to the right size. Secure the boards to the wall using screws. You have got yourself a set of stylish shelves. Get ready for a hands-on experience with Project 2, constructing a practical steps tool. Measure and cut the wooden pieces for the steps and sides. Assemble everything securely with screws. Sand down any rough edges for a polished look. Your steps tool is ready for those hard to reach places. Project 3 is all about nurturing nature, crafting a cozy birdhouse. Follow our template to cut the wooden pieces. Assemble them to create the birdhouse structure. Add a perch and an entrance hole. Hang it in your garden and you'll soon have feathered visitors. Get ready to organize in style with Project 4, crafting a functional tool tote. Measure and cut pieces for the side and handle. Assemble them with screws or nails for sturdiness. Sand the edges to avoid splinters. You now have a handy tool tote for your woodworking essentials. Moving on to Project 5, we'll create a pair of unique wooden bookends. Cut two identical pieces for each end. Sand them and paint or finish to your liking. Place them at each end of your book collection for a neat display. Continuing with Project 6, we'll sow the seeds of imagination, creating a plant stand. Measure the cut pieces for the legs and shelves. Assemble them into a stable stand. Apply paint or stain for a beautiful finish. Display your favorite plants in style. In our final project, we'll set the mood with homemade charm, making decorative candle. Cut the wood into suitable lengths. Create a hole in the center for the candles. Paint or stain to match your decor. Enjoy a cozy ambience with your homemade candle holders. These projects are a fantastic foundation for your woodworking skills. Now it's your turn to make them your own. I challenge you to take these ideas and customize them to suit your style. And if you ever decide to turn your passion into profit, remember woodworking can be a great hustle. So go ahead, create, experiment, and don't forget to share your projects with us. We'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for being a part of the Drilling Nerd community.